Let's check in on the IPO market. Solar tech company Nextracker raising $638 million by selling roughly 15% more shares than expected in its debut. So is the IPO window open a crack? CNBC's Hugh here wrote a piece on it. Hugh, what can go public now? Everything?
No, not everything, John. Nice to be with you. So to be clear, for most of last year, the IPO window, as they call it, was completely shut. And certainly in the fourth quarter of last year, there was really, it was crickets in the IPO markets. And so what we have here is a thawing of some, but not all the sectors. So, in favor now, you mentioned Nextracker. There's another listing that's going to price tonight called Enlight. They're a Tel Aviv-based renewables company. So, you see the trend there. If green energy, renewables, there's a momentum there because of the Inflation Reduction Act. And they've got their own cycle that they're working on that isn't affected by some of the macro concerns hitting tech, for instance.
So investors seem to like profitability, but what does that mean for some big names in tech that folks are hoping to see? Stripe, which seems to be trying not to go public, right? Yeah. But to let employees cash out. And then Instacart, which probably doesn't fit the profile of what people are really excited about these days.
No, but you have to look at, okay, so is the company, do they need to go public? And in the case of Instacart, I do believe they do, and my understanding is that they can go as early as mid-year. So if markets remain buoyant, and if the discount that they feel like they need to take to list, because to be clear, there is still a discount that you need to entice people to to buy your new stock. If the discount isn't that large at midpoint of this year, they're going to go ahead, is my understanding. Now, you have Stripe on the other end, as you alluded to. They told their employees that they've got in the next year sort of a consideration of weighing an IPO. And my understanding is, they've got options to stay private, and in many ways, private is better for Stripe, and they'll probably continue to do that.
All right. Well, thanks for keeping an eye on it for us. Many things shifting in this market. Hugh.